Have a Atco lightweight 1946. Let's see if I got a spark on it now. Oh no, the spring just snapped. So I've tightened it all up now, all the bolts and nuts on here. Great. That's annoying. Yes, I got a spark. Got a bit of one. Okay. So all I need to do is now get a new kick start return spring here, a bow gasket which is here, that's broken, new petrol pipe as well, and go from there. And make some petrol up. It's 20 to 1, not 25, it's 20 to 1 on these, or they can run on 16 to 1. It's a 2-stroke petrol with oil in it. So going to leave the video here now. Once I get all the spares for this and parts, then hopefully it's going to be running. 1946. Please subscribe to my channel and thanks for listening on this 1946 Atco Lawnmower. Bye.